I'm Ryan Pierson. I'm 24, just about 25. I'm from Ojai, California. So I'm actually about to start graduate school down at UCSD. My grandparents have a beach house in Ventura. So every summer, myself and my cousins and friends would just go become rats and sit in the sand all day and play in the water all afternoon. And so, you know, you see our uncle surfing and we're like, oh, we want to do that too. And went out and started surfing, but I didn't really get into it until probably middle school and then I started pestering my mom to go every single day, bribed her with a Butterfinger to take me surfing all the time. So she took myself and my buddies surfing all the time, and yeah, got addicted that way, and then been surfing ever since. I got the truck a few months ago, probably 6-ish. Childhood dream to have this truck. So I really wanted something that I could like turn into a surfmobile. So something I could just take wherever and always have everything I need. So I have boards, dry wetsuits, wet wetsuits, clothes, you know, somewhere I could keep all that, but also stay organized. So I have the Pro Pack and the heater. I really wanted to keep the whole pump system and the water tank hooked up to the heater, but the casing around the Pro Pack was just a little bit too big to be as ergonomic as possible. So I took the tank out, took the pump and control panel off, and then installed the control panel, ran the hose to the tank, put the tank somewhere else. So that way I have the tank a little deeper in, a little lifted up so that it runs all the water to the outlet for the pump and for the control panel. And then, yeah, have the control panel mounted and then have that run to the heater and the whole thing ready to go. And they together give me super long hot shower when it's freezing and I'm salty and sandy and want to keep the truck as clean as possible. I can get everything off and then change and go to work or go to class or just hang out.